Hi everyone, I'm Ali. I am wearing a traditional Ming Dynasty Hanfu that is light and sheer, a perfect fit for summer. In ancient China, it was quite common for men to be bare-chested during the summer. But of course, that was not the case for ladies, so they would wear less layers and sheer fabrics inside of their homes. Now let's take a look at the history of this outfit and how to wear it. You might have seen this particular style of Hanfu being called many different names in Chinese. So let's first quickly go through these names and their origins. As I explained in my previous video, the standing collar was a popular element in women's fashion during the late Ming Dynasty. The style I'm wearing today emerged during this period of time as well. So according to the naming conventions of the Ming Dynasty, this style can be described as 树领对襟纱衫, which translates into sheer fabric, parallel opening shirt with standing collar. Ladies commonly wore these inside of their homes or in private areas, as it is sheer and informal. During the Qing Dynasty, this style was labeled as pifeng, which is a type of outerwear. The materials used became thicker and heavier, making them more suitable for outdoor occasions. But keep in mind that the same term pifeng could also refer to this style of Hanfu during the Ming Dynasty, which can be worn by both men and women. In recent years, some people have also been calling it Guimenpi. It's a term used for Chinese opera costumes with the same style. So I think it's better to stick with the Ming Dynasty names. If it's sheer fabric, call it 树领对襟纱衫, and if it's not, call it 树领对襟长衫 or 长袄. Alright, now the terms are clear, it's time to look into this outfit. I'm wearing a modern camisole with embroideries on the front. The typical Ming Dynasty undershirt doesn't have shoulder straps. I will talk about that style sometime in the future. This is a one-piece pleated lace skirt. The lace pattern looks like eyelashes. There is a hole on the waistband for convenience. Wrap the skirt around the waist, insert one end of the belt through the hole, go around the body and tie the belts on the front. Last but not least, this is the sheer fabric parallel opening shirt with standing collar. It's made of silk, which is light and flowy, breathable and comfy. There are 2 buttons on the collar and a pair of ties on the chest area. There are ginkgo leaves embroideries on the big sleeves as well as the body. The middle seam on the back represents a person's righteousness. After putting the shirt on, tie the buttons on the collar. And then secure the ties. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. Let me know what you would like to learn in the comments below. I'll be making more videos on traditional Chinese culture, beauty, and fashion. See you next time.